The risk-on rally pervades the commodity market. Take a look at nickel up 4%, copper futures up 1%, crude oil continuing to climb higher up over 1%, gold getting hammered as the safe haven trade comes out of the commodity market. So what is the trade over the next 48 hours? Joining us from the CME is Oliver Sloop of II Trader. Oliver, how are you positioned into the election?
Well, a lot of our clients have been asking us the same question, and it's a great one. A lot of volatility in the markets across the different sectors, crude oil, gold, etc. We're playing it from the precious metals standpoint, gold and silver. We ultimately like these metals on a longer-term basis. If Hillary wins, we could be back at 1250, no problem. If Trump surprises and comes out with the victory and is the president-elect, we could see gold go back and retest those July highs of 1370. Ultimately, we like this trade on a longer-term basis, regardless of who wins, because although the uncertainty may be gone with whoever becomes president, the uncertainty is still going to linger with what the Fed is going to do in December. Now, a lot of people are suggesting that we could see rates rise. Ultimately, we're looking at global rates remaining low, and that's going to help support gold. We're looking at a 1250 to hold going out to finish the rest of the year.
In terms of the risk-on rally that we're seeing, like a copper, a nickel, and an oil, what's the best way to play a risk-on metal rally rather than the downside for gold?
Well, I think there's definitely a lot of ways to play it. Protect yourself with puts, I think, is probably the best way to go. Buying protection is what we call it, and what we are advising clients to do. So a lot of our clients like the longer-term prospects of gold, but they are protecting their downside exposure with long options. And I think that's the best way to play it throughout this week. Obviously, volatility invites more volatility into the market. We've seen that over the past week to 2 weeks, and we're going to continue to see that play out through the rest of this week as we find out who the next president of the United States will be.